Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam Game's black screen on launch. A Steam game launching to a black screen can be caused by various issues, including problems with the Steam client, corrupted settings, compatibility conflicts, or temporary glitches in the application. While black screens can also be caused by graphics drivers or game-specific issues, refreshing certain Steam settings and restarting the client can often resolve the problem. The first step is to adjust Steam's account security and login settings. Open Steam and click on the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to the Security section. Locate the option Don't Save Account Credentials on this computer and enable it. This setting prevents Steam from storing login information locally, which can sometimes help refresh account-related data and eliminate certain client-related issues. Keep in mind that enabling this option may require you to enter your login details each time you open Steam. After applying the change, continue with the next Steam client adjustment. Return to the Settings menu and open the Interface section. Find the setting labeled Client Beta Participation. This option allows you to choose whether Steam uses the standard client or the latest beta version, which may contain bug fixes and performance improvements. Open the drop-down menu and select Steam Beta Update. Steam will then prepare to switch to the beta client version. For the changes to take effect, you need to completely restart Steam. Open Task Manager and search for any Steam processes currently running. Select Steam and click End Task. This fully closes Steam, including any background processes that may remain active. After closing it, reopen Steam normally and allow it to update if necessary. Once Steam launches again, try opening the game to see whether the black screen issue has been resolved. It is important to understand that a black screen on launch does not always mean there is a problem with Steam itself. Other common causes include outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, incorrect display settings, full-screen optimization conflicts, missing game dependencies. Because of this, if the issue continues after adjusting Steam settings, additional troubleshooting may be required. A common beginner mistake is repeatedly forcing the game to close and reopening it without restarting Steam, which can leave background processes running and prevent changes from taking effect. Another common mistake is assuming the game is permanently broken, when the issue may simply be caused by a temporary client conflict. To summarize, fixing Steam games that launch with a black screen begins by opening Steam, Settings, Security, and enabling Don't Save Account Credentials on this computer. Then go to Settings, Interface, locate Client Beta Participation, and select Steam Beta Update. Finally, open Task Manager and all Steam processes and relaunch the application. These steps refresh Steam's client settings and can help resolve certain launch-related black screen problems. And that's how to fix Steam games showing a black screen on launch. By refreshing Steam's login settings, switching to the Steam beta client, and completely restarting the application, you can resolve some client-related problems that may prevent games from displaying correctly when they start. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.